Up next, we have an exciting session presented by the Palo Alto Networks. The topic for today is Stopping Cloud Breaches with AI-driven Cloud Detection and Response. Please join me in welcoming Kun Patchara Srinimnuan, Solution Consultant at Palo Alto Networks.
สวัสดีครับ Good morning everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Sorry about that. So my name is Patchara Srinimnuan, Solution Consult from Palo Alto Network Thailand. Today, in the topic of today, I would like to discuss about CDR, Cloud Detect and Response. But actually, I think everyone heard about CDR, EDR, NDR, XDR, a lot of detect and response thing, right? But today I would talk in terms of the AI, how AI can help in terms of the cyber security and in terms of the CDR, Cloud Detect and Response. So let's start. ไม่มีสไลด์นี้ครับ Okay, so sorry about that. But by the way, I would like to recap about right now. I think everyone know, right? A lot of organization using cloud somehow, somewhere. If we use only one single cloud service provider, it's okay. Because I think normal cloud service provider have security native services. But a lot of organization, we use hybrid cloud, right? We use multiple cloud. We use GCP, including AWS. We use Azure. We use Alibaba Cloud, a lot of things. So the problem is when we use multiple cloud, we lack of the visibility because every cloud has their own security native service, but they don't share information together. So that one is the first problem. And we know, right, when we talk about cloud, we use to help information, help organization to improve software development. So in terms of the software development, we can move faster when we use cloud. We can deploy testing, we can deploy anything very fast because from cloud environment, we just click and everything can running. But yeah, that is the good thing. But when we talk about the risky, so you can see that we have risks according from cloud security. Not only the cloud services provider itself, but we back into the coding phase, right? When we talk about the coding phase, so a lot of programmer or developer, they use their own cloud, they use their own repository, they use their own library, or they use their own language to do the programming. But in the reality, right, sometimes programmers don't understand or don't concern about cybersecurity. They focus on business only. They focus on business function only. So we see leaks in the coding phase, a lot of leaks, like secret explosion, like we programmer using some vulnerability open source. Sometimes their coding is not secure enough. So that is the leaks that we found in the coding phase. And the second phase is the deployment. After you done the coding, you try to deploy your code into the production or into the cloud environment. So that part also have their own leaks. Maybe you do some misconfiguration. Maybe you have like use the insecure container image. Sometimes you have the insecure CI/CD pipeline. So that one is also the leaks. And last but not least, for runtime, after you deploy everything, you need to do the run for your application, right? Maybe application, database server. During the runtime, we still have the cybersecurity leaks. Maybe you got the malware, maybe you got the C2 network connectivity, maybe you got like a web attack or API attack. That thing is happening. So that's why is cloud security, we still concerned about that. Okay, from the problem, you can see that during the coding, deployment, and runtime, if we want to close the gap for cybersecurity, we require a lot of tools, right? For the coding, we require source code scanning, we require open source library scanning, we require like secret scanning to confirm that our source code is secure enough before we deployment. Second phase for the deployment and cloud configuration also, we need CSPM. I think everyone heard about the CSPM or the SPM or AISPM. We try to prove security posture. We try to understand what is the configuration that we are using. Is it secure enough compared to the compliance? Is it okay or not? Do we have any leaks in terms of the configuration, in terms of the data, in terms of the AI model that we are using? So that one is the tool that we need in terms of the deployment phase. And last but not least, for the runtime when we talk about runtime, it's like the same concept as on-premise, right? We need some platform that try to protect your workload. But the hard thing of the cloud, we have many type of the workload. Not only the server, not only the VM, but we also have the container, we also have the serverless. So that part we also need like a CWPP, Cloud Workload Protection Platform, try to try to reduce the leaks that may happen during the runtime. For example, malware, network attack, or API web attack, something like that. That is the problem. We require a lot of tools, but normally this tool is not connect, right? They have their own silo, they have their own database, they have their own console. When they trigger some alert, they have their own alert. They don't know. Normally, when alert happen in your organization, you don't know what is the root cause, what is the uh, that incident came from, what is the owner or what is the asset that affect with that incident. So that's why Palo we believe in platformization. This is the keyword that Palo Alto focus. What is the platformization? I think when we talk about cybersecurity, not only the cloud, but I think we cover into the network, into the infrastructure, and into the security operation center also. We believe that solution need to integrate that into the platform to provide you the comprehensive of the visibility. But not only the visibility, that platform should provide you in terms of the management, in terms of the detection, and in terms of the response. It should be unified and provide you as the single point of view. So that's why in terms of the cloud security, we have solution named Prisma Cloud. So you can see Prisma Cloud is the solution that covers cybersecurity from coding to cloud. You can see it's cover every point that I mentioned. From coding, we have source code scanning, we have open source library scanning. From deployment phase, we have CSPM, we have DSPM. Right now, we have even AISPM. We have the solution that can verify the AI data model on cloud that you are using. And last but not least, on the runtime protection, we also have the solution that can prevent your cloud workload. We can integrate with Kube, we can protect your container or serverless, and even traditional workload like VM or like physical server, we can also include that part also. But when we talk about cloud, it's not one or it's the shared responsibility, I can say that. Because when we talk about cloud, it's not only the cloud admin. We need to cooperate with the DevOps team, right? The developer who do the programming. But when incident happen, who gonna help you? Maybe you heard from your customer that our website was defaced, cannot use. Our website what's got the DDoS, cannot provide the services. What we gonna do? In the enterprise, normally we go to SOC, right? Contact SOC, Security Operations Center, ask them what happened, what we gonna do, what asset or what server affect with this incident, and last but not least, how to respond. That is the problem. You can see that when we talk about the cyber security, not only the cloud, we related with the multiple stream. So that's why Palo Alto think that not only the cloud, but we need to integrate with the security operations center. In the cloud security, right? Yes, they have some requirement. There was something that can protect them in real time. There was something that can protect the data in cloud, the workload in cloud. But in the opposite hand, on the cybersecurity team, security operation, they also want to protect the cloud asset. But normally right now, if you don't have the platformization, so normally in the SOC or in the security operations center, they don't see what happened in cloud, right? We don't have the log from the cloud. We don't know which user is do something. We don't know in cloud do we have any privacy data or confidential data that gonna leak. We don't know malware that happened in cloud environment or not. So this is the problem that we need to integrate between cloud security and security operations center. Try to improve the real-time protection. Try to stop the cyber security. Okay, so in Palo Alto, right, we developed something that we call cloud detection and response. This is not a new concept, I can say. Cloud detection and response is same like a EDR or XDR or NDR. We put the cloud visibility or cloud data source into the security operation. But the thing that Palo Alto improved this concept, we use the AI to help We use the AI to integrate it between the cloud context and cybersecurity or SOC context. We use AI in terms of the data normalization. We use the AI in terms of the use case creation. And last but not least, we also use AI in terms of the automated response also. So this one, our objective is try to stop the attack, try to prioritize the incident, right? When incident happening, we would like to know that incident is false positive or not. That incident is critical and related with your organization or not. And we want to do the response. We want to improve the MTTR, mean time to resolution. That is the core objective that we put AI inside this solution. So we call this solution as XSIAM. Siam is not Thailand in this meaning, but yeah, it's same as the Thailand previous name, Siam, XSIAM. So XSIAM is the platformization for security operations center that include, I think, all of capability that we require in SOCs. We require the SIEM to ingest a lot of data, a lot of log source inside. We have the capability for EDR. We can control the endpoint agent. We can control the cloud agent. We have the SOAR, SOAR to do the automated response. And we also have on top of that, like threat intelligence platform. We have like a ASM, attack surface management. But that one is another thing. Today, we would like to focus on CDR, right? So XIM, like I mentioned, is the single SOC UI that can provide you and improve, can simplify your operation in SOC, can eliminate the data silo because it's built into the one data lake, one single platform, one single console. And we put AI to help in this part. I will talk later how AI can help in this part. And last but not least, we try to focus on automated response because we believe that platformization with automated response can improve cybersecurity. Okay, the concept of the XIM or CDR or XDR, it starts from the data source, right? When we talk the traditional SIEM, traditional SOC, normally we feed like endpoint data, identity data, we feed like a network data, we feed like a third-party data, something like database server, like a web application log, something like that. But in this part, when we talk about the CDR, we also include the cloud information also, like something like when misconfiguration happening, something like cloud security can detect vulnerability happen in your organization, in your cloud environment, something like compliance, we feed this information into the platform also. And after the platform get the information, we use the AI to do the incident creation. AI can help you to correlate alert along your organization. It can tell you that what is the story that happened in your organization, what kind of the incident that happening, what is the incident and data owner, what is the asset that related with the incident. For example, we talk about the cloud, but in the real world attack not happen or not related with the cloud only, like sometimes we relate with the endpoint, maybe admin endpoint got compromised and connect to the cloud environment. So this platform will help you and provide you the full visibility and provide you the full story of the instance. And after that, AI also provide the prioritization capability. Like I mentioned, when we talk a day-to-day operation for SOC, we have a lot of incident, right? A lot of alert, but we have limit people, right? I can say that that is the value resource in our organization. So XIM can provide you and can analyze what is the incident that happening. Is it false positive or not? Is it related with your business or not? Is it critical, high, medium, low? Is provide this information to SOC analysts, and SOC analysts can prioritize their tasks, their work. And last but not least is provide the investigation also. So this platform is data lake that can keep all of data that related with your cybersecurity. Your SOC can do the investigation, can do the threat hunting, can do the incident management capability into this platform. Okay, start from the first phase that AI can help you in this platform. Anyone use SIEM before, right? When we talk about the traditional SIEM, I think the first difficult thing is data onboarding, right? When we want to put some data into the platform, even SIEM vendor said we have out of the box parser, but in the reality or real life, we need to do some customized parser, right? Parser is something like when we put some information into the CM, we need CM to understand what kind of the information, what is block that want to tell you where is the source IP, where is the destination IP, where is the source user, something like that. But for XIM, we create the data model, and when you ingest the raw data inside this platform, the data model will automate do the normalization for your data. They try to understand what kind of the data that you are ingesting, what is the information that put inside your raw data, and they also try to do the enrichment also. Sometimes they found the IP address, they do the automate IP reputation checking for you. They check with the business context for you. So for the normalization, AI can help you a lot in terms of that. Not only the data onboarding, but the second hard or second difficult thing in SIEM is the use case, right? When we want to create something that try to detect normalize and abnormal behavior in your organization. For normal CM, we do the threshold base, right? For example, if we log in fail 5 times in 5 minutes, it should be trigger some alert. But in reality, in real life, some hacker or some clever user can bypass this one, right? Because that number is not met every business unit or not met every organization. But for XIM, we use AI to do the baseline. AI will learn your behavior, your organization behavior, your behavior, and try to create the baseline. And after user done something, same as baseline is okay. But if different with baseline, it's gonna provide the risk score for you. For example, my name is Patchara, right? I log into, XIM saw someone use Patchara account to log in on Saturday 3 a.m. I'm too lazy to do that, right? Because normally I work Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But yeah, it's login success on Saturday 3 p.m. with my account Patchara. Not only the successful login, but after login successful, my Patchara account try to access like a Palo server. So normal CM can detect that one, but they don't know it's the incident because it's just a successful authent event, right? So for XIM, we have the AI, we create the baseline, and we compare to normal user activity, and they see that that one is risky because normally no one log in on 3 a.m. on the weekend and try to access to the network segment that normally they don't use. So that's one AI can help you to try to create the cybersecurity incident. And the last step of the SOC is to do the response, right? We don't only do the detection, but we want to do the response also. So in this part, yeah, we have the capability of SOAR, security orchestration, automation, and response. But we use AI to do the prioritization, to do the playbook recommendation, and our playbook can integrate it with the third party, try to do the incident response and do the automation. Okay, this one is the summary data that when we talk about the incident that happening in your organization, your analyst or your admin or your cloud admin depend on what user that you're gonna use this system. You can see the overview of information, where is the alert come from, what kind of the log source that ingest into this system, into this incident. We also provide the smart scoring. Like I mentioned to you, AI try to understand criticality or severity of this incident, but user also do the business context tuning. You can put something to tune the smart scoring. And last but not least, we also provide the automation response also. This dashboard provide you what kind of playbook that are running, what kind of playbook is completed, and what kind of playbook that waiting for analysts. Because some playbook, they cannot do the 100% automation, right? Sometimes we need to wait for approval. Sometimes we need to ask firewall admin to approve something. So this one can provide the overview of the information. Okay. So I will show the use case that we can use integrated with the security operation center and cloud capability itself. So like I mentioned, normally we need to have two components, right? The blue one is like a data source from cloud. sent into the SOC or Security Operations Center, and the green one is the platform itself that try to correct the data detection and provide the automated response. Okay, so the first use case, yeah, is like simple thing. So we want to do the automate cloud misconfiguration remediation. When something happen, maybe some admin do some misconfiguration, but we want to try to remediate automatically. This solution can help you in terms of the data. We can ingest what kind of the data, what is the asset that related with that incident, misconfiguration, and we will trigger the playbook, try to remediate, try to change the policy, try to change the cloud configuration. The next one is about the automate cloud threat remediation. So normally this one, when we have something that related with the cybersecurity, cloud will send information to the platform. Sometimes they trigger and detect some malicious happen on your cloud access, and will trigger the playbook on the SOC platform. So SOC platform will do the playbook related with your business. Maybe they start with the open ticket and send the information or email notification to asset owner or application owner. And after that, we can do the automate enrichment. Sometimes we don't believe, yes, that incident or not is false positive or not. We can do the playbook to check what kind of the IP, what kind of the malware that running, this is malicious or not. After we verify, we can do the automated response, right? We want to isolate the EC2 instance now or not. If we want to do, it can trigger and integrate with AWS to isolate that EC2 instance. But in the opposite way, if we don't do the isolation, we can do another thing like update the ticket, notify more admin or more user that related with this incident. This one is the thing that we can decide based on your business and your requirement. Okay, I got 3 minutes left. Okay, so like I mentioned, Palo Alto, we believe in automation because we believe that automation can help and improve cybersecurity. So our solution try to provide the automate end-to-end, and we try to have and use AI to improve your playbook also. We analyze your incident that happened in your organization, provide the suggestion, what kind of the new playbook that you need to do or you can apply and improve. And they also provide the action that related with your cybersecurity team. But our objective is, like I mentioned, we try to reduce MTTD and MTTR, mean time to detect and mean time to respond. Okay, and the last thing that I would like to talk about AI is not the back-end AI only. The AI that I mentioned so far is about the back-end, right? You see that AI to help you to do the data model, AI to help you for the use case creation, AI to help you for the prioritization. But we also have the co-pilot. What is the co-pilot? You can imagine if I'm new guy, I'm joined the SOC team, and I don't know what is the Palo Alto. I don't know how to query anything. I don't know what is the gamma that I need to do. But I just got the command from my boss that they want to summarize top incident or critical incident in the last 7 days. What I'm gonna do normally? I need to go to Google. I need to understand Palo Alto document. What is the gamma that I need to do? What is the query language that I need to learn and apply? But on the co-pilot, you just provide like a human language. It's like the generative AI like ChatGPT that we are using. You just type, please provide me critical incident in 7 days, just enter, and co-pilot provide you the information that you want. No need to learn the Palo Alto grammar, learn anything. It's provide everything for you. This one can help you improve in terms of the cybersecurity operation, in terms of the human resource, and in terms of the thing that we try to improve our process is inside the SOC also. Okay, so almost the last slide, but I would like to show you again that Palo Alto, we believe in platformization. You can see this one is the concept that we ingest the required information like from cloud, from endpoint. We try to stop the attack that's gonna happen in your organization. We have the AI to summarize 2,000 alert into the incident, just 100, because we have the AI that can help you to prioritize that part And we also provide the automation, right? The thing that we can do, the automation, we just let the solution, let the platform do. But something that we need human to involve with, we still can provide the manual tasks. Okay, so the core concept of the platform is we try to unify the two, right? Put the platform into the one single console, into the one solution platform. We try to put AI to help you in terms of the detect and response, and we try to improve automation as much as we can. So this is the key takeaway, the last of my slide, platformization, right? So cybersecurity, I think everyone understands that cybersecurity relate with every BU, right? Not only the IT, we relate with the legal, relate with the cloud infrastructure. So if we don't have the good enough platformization, our cybersecurity is not gonna success. So what is the good platformization? So we need the unified, best-in-class protection cybersecurity. Your solution need to smart enough to protect your asset, protect your user, protect your identity, protect your cloud assets. And that solution should adapt and can do the security across every environment. Because right now we use various environment, right? Sometimes we use the Windows, sometimes we use the Linux, sometimes we use cloud, AWS, Alibaba Cloud, Huawei Cloud, we use Kube. So our solution should integrate with every environment that we use. And last but not least, our solution or platform should be easy to deploy and operate. If we deploy some platform that hard to use, hard to operate, it's not help our organization. That is the key point and key takeaway. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
A heartfelt thanks to Kun Patchara Srinimnuan, Solution Consultant at Palo Alto Network. As we strive to continue to deliver the best experience to all of you and we highly value your feedback, please help us scan the QR code and share your thoughts and feedback so we can continuously improve. สำหรับเซสชันเมื่อสักครู่นี้โดย Palo Alto Network นะคะคุณพัชระค่ะได้เน้นย้ำนะคะถึงความสำคัญของการบูรณาการและการทำงานร่วมกันนะคะเพื่อยกระดับรักษาความปลอดภัยในยุคคลาวด์นะคะอย่างแท้จริงค่ะโดยแบ่งเป็น 4 ประเด็นสำคัญนะคะประเด็นแรกค่ะคุณพัชระค่ะย้ำว่าการทำงานที่แยกส่วนหรือไซโลนะคะอาจสร้างช่องโหว่ทางด้านความปลอดภัยนะคะและกระบวนการทำงานที่ไม่เชื่อมโยงกันนะคะทำให้เกิดอันตรายได้นะคะและส่งผลให้เกิดช่องโหว่และการตอบสนองการโจมตีที่ล่าช้านะคะรวมถึงข้อที่2นะคะการขาดบริบทต่างๆนะคะในเรื่องของการรักษาความปลอดภัยนะคะคือจะสามารถทำให้ทีมนะคะที่ดูแลด้านความปลอดภัยเนี่ยเผชิญความท้าทายนะคะในระบบการตอบสนองต่างๆนะคะแล้วก็ไม่สามารถตอบสนองได้อย่างเรียลไทม์และมีประสิทธิภาพนะคะสุดท้ายนะคะได้เน้นย้ำถึงเรื่อง Unified Approach นะคะโดย Palo Alto Network ค่ะมี AI Driven Cloud Detection and Response Solution นะคะที่จะช่วยให้ระบบคลาวด์ของทุกท่านนะคะมีความปลอดภัยมากยิ่งขึ้นนั่นเองค่ะ